In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use fireworks with crossbow in Minecraft Bedrock, Java, or mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can make fireworks and shoot them using a crossbow. So I'm gonna go into survival to demonstrate this, but it is going to work on any game mode. So first of all, you need to actually craft the rockets. If you have never crafted them, what you can do is mix gunpowder and you sort of dye, and you will have your firework star, which is used to make the firework rocket itself. Then you can mix random ingredients. For example, the fire charge will add an additional effect, so it is going to go from a small ball to a large ball, and the diamond is going to add trails. But of course, this is all optional. Once you have your firework stars, you can mix it with paper and gunpowder to make your firework rockets. So I'm gonna make a bunch here to demonstrate. You will also be able to change the flight duration with the amount of gunpowder that you place in the craft. So as you can see, this one has a flight duration of 1, 2, and then this one has 3. So now what you have to do is equip the firework rocket in your offhand. If you try to shoot the crossbow without anything, or if you just have arrows, then they will be shot. What you have to do is hold the firework rocket in your offhand. Now, without right-clicking the ground, just right-click with the crossbow, and as you can see, it took one of my firework rockets from my offhand into the crossbow. And now if I right-click again, it is going to shoot, so you can clearly see the effect. You can shoot it up to celebrate, and the effects that you applied in the firework star will be visible. It is simple to do, and it is going to work with any firework type. You just have to ensure that it is equipped in your offhand, and you can shoot it as many times as you wish, as long as you have some remaining in there. If this video answered any questions that you had, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.